Golden sands beneath the sun, mountains watch as rivers run. Voices rise from desert winds, telling tales where life begins. Colors dance through time and sand, hearts united across the land. Echoes deep, both near and far, Balok and Sindh, shining stars. The essence of Balochistan, the music of Sindh. Two souls, one heartbeat deep within. From rugged hills to waves that sing, this is the song our spirits bring. A land of courage, faith and grace. The beauty of Pakistan's embrace. Sindh's rivers hum a gentle tune underneath the silver moon. Drums of joy and hands that weave stories no one can deceive. Every note and every tone carries love this land has grown. Through the dust, through every dawn, the melody keeps moving on. The essence of Balochistan.